I'm Smiley Connor.
I'm Dima Harmon.
I'm Tyler Holden.
I'm Mackenzie Farmer.
I'm Suri Kors.
And we're from FDR Middle School.
Going to Advent Design Corp really opened my eyes to manufacturing. That manufacturing is not what everybody thinks it is. Manufacturing is actually fun, and inventing things can help benefit the world. It's very inspiring. There's so many ideas you're able to bring to the table and share with others that have similar thoughts. Being able to make something out of nothing, just ideas, is actually very fun.
Specialty company. We make a variety of different things here. Tesco, which is most of the business, is actually, we do a lot of work with the electric utility industry. So we do a lot of that electric. Basic design is exactly the same. It's the colors, it's the spacing, it's the order in which the switches are that changes. But this is a product that's been around literally for 110 years. Some of the other ones are ones that we just developed and are appropriate for the new technology. Have you guys heard of this?
Guitar Station was one of my favorite stations because there were so many parts or stations that had to come together in order to make the Guitar Station better in accomplishing it. That was... I believe that manufacturing is a great job. Being able to work with people and bond with them, sharing ideas, learning more and more from each other is a great experience, and people should actually really do that job.
We'd like to say thank you to
Advent Design Corporation and What's So Cool About Manufacturing
for allowing us to participate in this contest.
Bye!